Hi, in this video we'll be talking about dictionary comprehensions. If you know how to use list comprehensions, it'll be much easier for you to use all the other types of comprehensions, among which we have dictionary comprehensions, which are the topic of this video. So if you don't feel comfortable about list comprehensions, I have a video about them and another video about set comprehensions, so feel free to watch them first. Now, just like with set comprehensions, we use curly braces for dictionary comprehensions. Dictionary comprehensions return dictionaries. Inside the curly braces, we use two colon-separated variables. Here's an example. Letter, colon, F string, character, word, letter, for letter, and ocean. Okay, well, here we have the colon, and the part on the left of the colon is the key, and the part of the right is the value. So here the value is a string containing the Unicode value of the letter. So now we can press enter, and here is what we get. Ocean. We're taking letters from this word, O, C, E, and so on. These are the keys. And now these strings are the values. So character 111, this is the value of O. Character net 9, this is the value of C, and so on. Or another example, this time with a dictionary. So here we have the children dictionary, where the keys are names and the values are sets of children that this person has. So Mary Johnson has just 2 kids, Steve and Luke. Anne Williams has 4 children, Sarah, Jennifer, Josh, Michael, and Bill is the only child of Greta Shamway. Fine. And now we can use a dictionary comprehension like so. Number of kids equals a dictionary comprehension where the key will be the name and the value will be the number of kids, so the length of kids. For name kids in children items. Fine. So we use items to be able to use both keys and values from the dictionary, and now name refers to the keys, kids refers to the values, and for each pair name kid, so for each key value pair, we should get an item in our new dictionary where the key is the name and the value is the number of kids, so the length of the set used as a value in this dictionary. Fine. And now let's print number of kids. And what we get is a dictionary where the keys are the names, so Mary Johnson, Anne Williams, Greta Shamway, and the values are the numbers of kids. Mary Johnson has 2 kids, Anne Williams has 4, and Greta Shamway just 1. You can also use zips. For example, small equals hello. Capital equals hello. Now, small and capital equals a dictionary comprehension with S as the key and C as the value. For S, C in zip, small, capital. Well, the zip function just zips these two strings. And now we can print out our small and capital dictionary. And here, as we can see, the small letters are the keys and the capital letters are the values. By the way, hello contains two L's, but here we have just one L. This is because in a dictionary the keys must be unique. So we can't have two elements with the same key. Well, dictionary comprehensions may be rewritten as generator expressions passed as arguments to the built-in dict function. I have a video on generator expressions. If you don't know how they work, you're welcome to watch it. So this last example could be rewritten like this. Small equals hello, capital equals hello, small and capital equals dict, and here we have a generator expression SC for SC in zip small capital. Fine. And if we now print small and capital, we get just the same result. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.